The Benz is a skim style board with a re-engineered rocker line that adds lip to the nose and reduces the height of the tail. This increases the heel-to-toe maneuverability while keeping the overall speed of the board. The diamond-shaped tail breaks the flow of the water along the edge to make it easier to break free off the lip and initiate spins. This board comes in a 4.4, 4.8, and 4.11. If you'd like to learn more about this board, please visit connellyskis.com.